We lost him.
Rise and shine, it's birthday time. In this video, we'll be taking you to one of my favorite areas in Beijing. But before we get into that, let's grab some breakfast.
So this is what a traditional breakfast in China looks like. So we have the jiutiao, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, and the steamed dumplings. These are pork. So I'm gonna dig into this. Oh wow, it's nice and fluffy. It's like
Donut.
yeah, it's super fluffy. Wow, look at that. Please.
How about it though? Salty or?
Yeah, it's a bit salty. Well, not really salty. Actually, it's savory is more the word that I'm trying to look for. Just like fried bread.
Yeah. Nice.
Really good. There, grab one. Try that.
That's so fluffy.
Yeah, there's some fluffy. See, yeah, it's not salty either. It's just more savory. Like I guess like the closest thing that I can describe it to is maybe kind of like also it's croissantish.
It's like a croissant.
Yeah, croissantish. So.
Oh, they're good.
Wow, I can't wait. Is it hot?
Yeah, they're pork.
They're pork.
You got lucky.
We pronounced it correctly. Wow, they're light. Oh man.
They're so good, right? They're with the sauce now.
So good.
Wow.
I think that's vinegar.
Even better.
Nope, I'm not gonna.
I'm good with some sugar.
Oh yeah, you could like dip it in sugar, turn it into like a donut. All right, well let's finish eating.
So how was that breakfast, man?
That breakfast was so good, so filling. It was warm. It was just the best, actually.
Now I want something sweet.
Let's see what we can find.
We're old school now.
Yeah, using maps. Actual maps.
Yeah. Look at little poodle.
Now, let's go explore an entertainment shopping area in Beijing that not many people talk about. If you're into anime and games, this is the episode for you. You'll have to take Metro Line 2 to Chongwenmen. When you get there, it's a very busy highway, so either be very careful crossing the street or take the underpass in the direction to Glory Mall. Once you see Glory Mall, head to Soshow, which is right next to it. It's an entertainment mall and a little otaku heaven in the city of Beijing.
You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Especially whenever there's a mall specifically for entertainment, I'm ready for it.
Not everything is games and anime though. You'll find very cool fashion stores that the wife definitely appreciated, with everything from affordable items to brand name clothing. There are also interesting cafes on the different floors, as well as fun restaurants and an entire food court. Oh, and there's also an arcade and movie theater too, so you could technically spend an entire day here. But what I really came here to do is explore the 6th floor, which is mostly anime, games, and cosplay items. There are a couple of other floors that have additional electronics, but the 6th floor is where you'll find the good stuff. You'll find these long hallways of all kinds of shops with very enticing window displays. There was so much stuff, I didn't even know where to look. Just look at these mobile suits.
So I remember when I was a kid, there was a place in New York called on Mott Street. There was a mall just like this, on a smaller scale, that had action figures and stuff like that, displayed just like this.
How happy are you? Happy birthday, man. Look at this. Are they good prices?
Yeah, they have good prices on this. Like, I thought they would be jacked up, but no, those are pretty good prices. Like, for example, I'm just like, this combo is about 40 bucks. About, give or take.
Whoa, what?
The radness, look, the hollow armor is... So you know what the best thing about this is? The best thing about this place is that they have a lot of their toys on display on the outside, so not like it was in Japan where you had to go inside and sometimes they didn't want you to record and take pictures, so this is great. Like on my alien, you can see the transparent head.
This is like a museum.
Yeah. This is me, hard at work, looking for long lost items. Let's see if I have any luck.
We lost them.
One eternity later.
They didn't have where you want it?
No. But he gave me that flat. No. Like, don't even think about it.
What do you have there?
Wow, they have the Dendrobium.
Whatever that is.
That's the mobile armor from my favorite Gundam series. From the only one that I really know, because I've only watched one series. Well, two. But that was from my favorite, so that's huge. I'm so jealous. He gets to play the Monster Hunter expansion. I have to wait until I get home to play it.
More than the items themselves, I've always been fascinated with the displays and the creativity that goes into them, which is probably why I was a bit overwhelmed here, in a good way. You'll certainly find some piece of your childhood here, or, in Maria's case, a newfound appreciation for designer vinyl toys. I even got her interested in the story of the Monkey King, and that's a win.
You can see a tail?
Yeah.
So that's a monkey tail. It's because of the legend of the Monkey King. So
With Monkey King.
it kind of has inspiration in Chinese lore, which is cool.
Well, I want the milk one.
Hope you guys were just as excited about finding this hidden gem. We have more Beijing videos coming, so stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.